Hey everyone, in this quick tutorial, I'll show you how to put an image inside any shape. Select the Shape tool from the toolbar, choose any shape you like, and draw it on the canvas. Go to File, then Place Embedded, select your photo and open it, then resize it so it covers the shape. In the Layers panel, place the image layer directly above the shape layer. Now go to Layer and select Create Clipping Mask. Your image will instantly fit inside the shape. You can use the Move tool to reposition or resize the image inside the shape if needed. That's it. If this tutorial helped you out, make sure to like and subscribe for more helpful guides. And if you found real value in it, a super thanks would be greatly appreciated.
Feel free to reach out if you encounter any issues during the process. If this video helps you out, please leave a like and subscribe. Comment below if you have any questions. If you need further assistance, consider hiring a professional using the link in this video below.